If you're into action cameras, today is going to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the all-new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a camera that's set to change the game. From a next-gen sensor to pro-level features like dual OLED touchscreens and 4K 120 FPS video, this is the next level of action cam technology. So, what makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro stand out? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the new next-gen 1.3 sensor. This is a huge upgrade over its predecessor. Whether you're filming a city skyline at night or a sunrise over the mountains, this sensor captures everything in stunning detail. Thanks to the new 4nm high-performance chip, combined with 2.4 micron pixels and 13.5 stops of dynamic range, you're getting image quality that rivals professional cameras. And it doesn't stop there. You can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, ensuring every scene is full of clarity, especially in low-light conditions. This dynamic range keeps highlights from being blown out and preserves shadows, perfect for high dynamic range scenes. Low-light shooting just got a major boost with the new Super Night mode. Using advanced AI noise reduction algorithms, the Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers sharper, cleaner footage in extreme low light. Think of it as night vision for your action camera. Perfect for those who love to capture the city after dark or nighttime adventures. Next up, let's talk about the dual OLED high brightness touchscreens. Now, both the front and rear screens have peak brightness levels of up to 1000 nits, making it easy to see your footage even under direct sunlight. The screen-to-body ratio is also improved by 16%, giving you a larger display with narrower bezels. And it's not just about the visuals. These screens are super durable with tempered glass protection and an anti-fingerprint coating. Even if you're in wet conditions, touch controls remain responsive. Perfect for all-weather adventurers. Forget about running out of space mid-adventure. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro comes with a built-in 47GB storage, giving you more than enough space to capture hours of content. Combine that with the incredible 4-hour extended battery life, and you've got the perfect companion for those long shooting days. That's 240 minutes of non-stop recording. Now, if you love high-quality audio, you'll be excited about the new DJI Osmo Audio connectivity ecosystem. Connect wireless mics seamlessly and capture professional-grade sound, no matter where you are. DJI's bringing subject tracking to the action camera world. The Action 5 Pro intelligently detects your subject's position and dynamically adjusts the composition. So, whether you're vlogging or capturing fast-paced action, the camera keeps your subject perfectly centered. This works for both horizontal and vertical shots, and even at 4K 120 FPS. But what really takes the Action 5 Pro to another level is the 360-degree horizon steady. This is insane. You can move the camera in any direction, and the footage will stay perfectly level. Whether you're skiing, biking, or diving, your video will stay rock solid. Speaking of diving, the Action 5 Pro is waterproof up to 20 meters without a case and up to 60 meters with waterproof case, certified to EN 13319 standards. And don't worry about wasting time transferring your files. With Wi-Fi 6.0 and USB 3.0 high-speed transfer options, you can move your footage quickly so you can get back to creating. So there you have it. The all-new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is packed with features that take action camera technology to the next level. From the next-gen 1.3H sensor, dual OLED touchscreens, and built-in storage, to the incredible subject tracking and waterproofing, this camera is pushing the boundaries of what an action camera can do. And all this comes at a competitive price of $349. If you're serious about capturing your adventures in the highest quality, this is the action cam for you. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And as always, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.